Thank you for buying this work of art from Fixture Displays. This grasshopper is an excellent piece of art as well as can be used for education purposes. The part number for this item is 22155. It's primarily made from screws and nuts. It's a little over 5 inches long, fit into a man's hand. Electroplated to perfection. This is a really lifelike metal piece of art. You can display in your bookshelf, in your office, on your table, or use that in your classroom. For kids who are fascinated about insects and the wonders of this world, this also is a great education tool model to study. Unlike the organic cousins of this grasshopper, this can be studied and played without worrying about killing a real grasshopper. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. The display case you'll see here is our product, part number 20000. It's an excellent choice to keep your collection locked up and properly, professionally displayed. This metal art series, we have a large selection of different types of insects, as well as other natural objects. It's definitely worthwhile exploring. So I recommend you go onto FixtureDisplays.com to look at this entire family of products, along with many other consumer and business products we offer. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.